So here's an example of an application problem to what we're doing in lesson 4.6 that involves solving rational equations. We're told that the perimeter of a rectangle is 152 centimeters, and we know that the ratio of its width to its length is equal to 9/10. So we know W over L is equal to 9/10. We also know that the perimeter of a rectangle can be found by adding the two lengths together, adding the two widths together, and adding those answers together. So 2L plus 2W is equal to 152. Now I can simplify that. I notice everything is divisible by 2. So let's divide everything by 2. And we get L plus W is equal to half of 152, which is 76. Now, if we solve that equation for either L or W, it doesn't matter. I'll solve for L. We get L is equal to 176 minus W. Now, I've got something that I can substitute in here for L. So I'm going to do so. I've got the width over the length, which we now have determined is 176 minus W, is equal to a ratio of 9/10. And now it's just a matter of cross multiplying. Take one cross product and set it equal to the other cross product. So W times 10 is 10W, and 9 times the quantity 76, not 176. 9 times the quantity 76 minus W will be my other cross product. So now I need to distribute. Whoops. 9 times 76 is 684. And 9 times W, or negative W, I should say, is negative 9W. So of course, we're solving for W, so we need to bring our W's together. If we add 9W to both sides, we get 19W is equal to 684. And then finally, of course, to solve for W, we have to divide by 19. And we get a width equal to 36. Now that we know our width, we know that our length and width have to add up to 76. Length plus width have to add up to 76. So we've determined that our width is 36. So to find our length, we just have to subtract that 36 from the 76. And our length in this case would be 40 centimeters.